Okay, I'm going to show you what a highlight image question shows up as answers. Okay, so here's my question. Circle the three parts of the cell theory in red, and you can see it showing me as the student completed the question what they actually did. And then underline the answer to this question in blue are all cells very tiny. Again, you can see students circled the three parts and then is in the process of underlining the answer to the question. Over here, I have to grade it. It is impossible for Schoology to automatically grade this question. So I'm going to need to grade this one on its own, and that student gets absolutely full credit. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a minute and show you another student who did not get full credit so you can see what that would look like. Okay, here I'm going to show you another student. I'm going to replay this. And you can see the direction was to circle three parts. This student only made a mark on one thing, so I give only 1 point. All the other pieces of the question were missing. So you can assign partial credit, you can assign full credit. If you replay, you will again see exactly step by step what the student did. So if some of the marking overlaps each other, you can see what was submitted for each question.